Hi, I'm Tom from supplyhouse.com. Today we're going to take a look at the Milwaukee M12 cordless copper cutting tool. This is the industry's first copper cutting tool powered by a lithium battery. You can see here, this is the kit version. It comes with a nice carrying case. It comes with the tool, one M12 battery, and an M12 charger. This M12 red lithium-ion battery can provide up to 200 cuts per charge. It's got a battery gauge here on the side so you can see the battery life real time. This tool was designed with plumbers and mechanical contractors in mind. It's very lightweight, measures 14 inches long, which makes it easier to reach pipe in tight places. This is the main trigger that activates the tool. If you slide it over to the left, this will lock it into place in the right spot. You slide this back over to the right, and then you're ready to make your cut. This head will automatically adjust for your copper pipe, ranging from 3/8 to 1 inch nominal size, type K, type M, type L. You can see it's got this nice viewfinder right here, so you can see exactly where you're cutting it along the line. The blade rotates at 500 RPM. The blade is corrosion and rust resistant, that's sealed for water protection. Once it's in the right position, you simply insert the pipe to the proper depth, pull the trigger. As you can see, it's a really fast, easy cut. Definitely saves a lot of time over a manual copper cutting tool. For more information, visit the resources on supplyhouse.com or email us with any questions.